We have to find the value of y that makes A and B parallel. We have given here alternate interior angles. So we will use alternate interior angles converse. So let me put that by the alternate interior angles converse. If two lines are cut by transversal, this is our transversal, so the alternate interior angles are congruent, then the lines are parallel. Let me remind you that alternate interior angles are angles which are between these two lines and on the opposite sides of our transversal. So these two angles are congruent. It means that measure of angle which are given by this expression is equal to measure of that angle. So we have 2y plus 11 degrees is equal 161 degrees. So now let's forget about degrees. So we have that 2y plus 11 is equal 161. So 2y is equal 161 minus 11. So we have 2y is equal 150. So now we will divide both sides by 2. 2 and 2 will reduce, and we have that y is equal 75. So for y equals 75, our lines A and B are parallel. This is my solution.